Hey guys, so if you've watched me before, you'll have seen that I've had a box called Fright in the past, and I stopped getting it because their customer service and their shipping is literally the worst. Like, I think last time I got a box I was waiting 5 or 6, maybe even 7 months for the box to arrive, so I said I was never going to get them again. But then I think they went bankrupt and like another company bought them out. Everyone was saying it was so much better now and stuff like that. So I thought I would give them another chance. Now the boxes have gone up in price a little bit since last time. I think they used to be pretty cheap, maybe like £25 with free shipping from America. And now they are £28 and I think it's like a £5 shipping or something. So they work out 30 something pounds. They're still not super expensive. And they are still cheaper than getting Fright crate, but like it's not as cheap as it used to be. Anyway, long story short, I thought I would try one of their boxes again. I know that there's like a whole global thing happening at the minute, but as always their postage sucked and it took I think 2 or 3 months to get here this time. One day it just randomly arrived. They don't give you any tracking information, they don't give you any kind of customer service saying when they're gonna send it. It just kind of arrived. So anyway, my box has finally arrived and I'm gonna show you what is in it today. Now, I actually ordered this thinking that I was ordering a different theme. So when it arrived, I was pretty disappointed because I thought I was getting this like Beetlejuice kind of box and that's not what arrived. So just be warned, the ones that they advertise at the top of the page isn't always the theme that you're going to get. You've got to scroll down and see what this month's theme is because it's different, so just kind of be warned on that. But it is still an okay box, so I'm going to show you what is in it. So the first thing we have is a t-shirt. Now I ordered a medium because I've gained a bit of weight, so I thought I'd get a bigger one than I usually do, and it's absolutely huge. So I definitely wish I would have got a small, but maybe I'll just use it to like sleep in or something. So this is a Nosferatu t-shirt. It says a symphony of horror on the bottom. And like I said, it's pretty big for a medium. I don't know, but anyway. That is the first item that we got. Then next we got a little pin, and this is by the artist Austin James. And it's just like a little key with a skull at the top. I don't think this is necessarily from any like horror film or anything. I think it's just supposed to be like spooky. So that is our little pin that we got. Then next we got a luggage tag, which is the Overlook Hotel. I'm gonna take it out of here so you can see it better. Okay, so it's red and like a beigey gold kind of colour. It says Overlook Hotel on the front and it says number 237 on the back. And then on this little card it says all work and no play makes Jack a dull boy, over and over and over again. And it's got a little buckle on the top so you can like attach it to your suitcase or bag or whatever. And then we got this, which is a little print, and it's from The Conjuring, and it's kind of like, I don't know, it's like textured, like you can feel these little crosses. It says Get Out on it. It's actually quite cute. Probably not one that I'll put up in here, but if you're someone who collects prints and stuff, then this is actually kind of a nice one. And then the last item that is in here is the Invisible Man fully posable action figure from Reaction Figures, which looks like this. So obviously this is from their like Universal Monsters collection, and this is the New Wave 2 one apparently. So these are all the other ones that you could have got. I'm not sure if everybody got a different one or if we all got the Invisible Man. I'm assuming everyone got this one, but I'm not really sure. Like I said, not amazing. I thought that I was getting different themes than this, and I don't think I would have chosen this box if I knew it was this box. And the customer service and the shipping still absolutely sucks. But like some of the items they send sometimes are really, really cool, and when I like the theme I kind of want to buy it. So I don't know, You'll have to let me know what you thought of this one anyway, if you think it's worth the 30 whatever pounds it is. I'll put down below. And yeah, I'll quickly show you everything together again anyway. So there was the Invisible Man little figure, the Conjuring print, the Overlook Hotel little luggage tag, the key pin, and the Nosferatu t-shirt. But yeah, I hope you enjoyed this video. Anyway, if you did, please subscribe. I'll put all the information down below for Loot Fright in case you want to go and check them out. You'll have to let me know what you thought of this box, if you think I should try and get it again sometime or not. But yeah, thanks for watching, and I will see you soon. Bye guys.